Good morning.
Good mornings.
Well, this is a speaking practice test conducted by Rahat's English Care. Are you ready for the speaking practice test?
Yes, sir, I'm ready.
First of all, please tell me your full name.
My full name is Rakibul Islam, and my family members and my friends, they are love to call me Rakib, and you may also call me Rakib.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chatpur. It's a beautiful place of Bangladesh. It's located in the southwestern part of Bangladesh. It's widely known as the land of Hilsha. I was born and brought up there.
Now you live in Dhaka, right? So how often do you usually visit Chatpur?
3 or 4 times in a month.
In a month?
Yes,
Oh,
sir. Because it's my hometown, and my family members, they are live in my hometown, I mean Chatpur.
well, Mr. Rakibul Islam. Now let me ask you some questions about traveling. Do you like traveling?
Yes, sir. I love travel. When I'm free, I try to travel with my friends, and sometimes with my family members.
How many times did you visit Cox's Bazar?
3 times,
times.
in my whole life. Last 3 months ago, I visited the Cox's Bazar.
With whom did you visit Cox's Bazar?
With my friends and also my cousin.
What's your most favorite free time activity?
Honestly, I'm a sports lover. I try to watching different type of sports, especially football and cricket. And cricket is my favorite game. And Sakib Al Hasan is my favorite cricketer.
Cricketer. Wow.
Yes, sir.
And what was your favorite game when you were a child?
Sir, repeat me again.
What was your favorite game when you were a child?
When I was a child, cricket is my favorite game. Still now, I also love cricket.
Well, do you like Rahat sir?
Yes, sir. I like Rahat sir. He's founder of Rahat English Care. He's so amiable and friendly of all the students.
What do you think? Is Rahat sir an angry teacher or a friendly teacher?
I think Rahat sir is not an angry teacher. He is so amiable and kindful. Any student face any problems to try his best and give solutions.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rakibul Islam. This is the end of your speaking practice test.
Thank you, sir.